Today let's talk about the key features of chemical splash eye protection. Full coverage. Provides comprehensive coverage to protect eyes from chemical splashes, fumes, and airborne particles. Anti-fog lenses. Equipped with anti-fog lenses to ensure clear vision even in humid or high-temperature environments. Chemical-resistant materials. Made from materials resistant to a wide range of chemicals, ensuring durability and long-lasting protection. Comfortable fit. Designed with adjustable straps or arms for a secure and comfortable fit, accommodating various head sizes and shapes. Impact resistance. Offers impact resistance to protect eyes from debris and accidental contact with objects. Ventilation. Includes indirect ventilation to prevent fogging while keeping chemicals out. Easy maintenance. Simple to clean and maintain, ensuring hygiene and longevity of the protective eyewear. These features make chemical splash eye protection an essential part of PPE in environments where there is a risk of exposure to harmful chemicals. Contact us today for all your PPE needs.